This is Ian Lamont. I am the author of Dropbox in 30 Minutes, and I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files in Dropbox. Let's get started. So I recommend using the Dropbox.com website instead of using the app on your phone or the native app for Windows or for Mac. And the reason is because the website Dropbox.com is actually very flexible in terms of finding the files that you need to find. And by the way, it includes everything that's getting synced to the account, not just the items that are on this particular computer. So if I have 3 different devices, a Windows PC, a Mac, and an iPhone, all of the files will show up in the Dropbox.com website, even if they're not all syncing to the individual devices. So what you want to do is you want to go to Home, left corner, select the option that says Deleted Files. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a photo that I deleted last month. I know I deleted it and I want to get it back. Now, one thing you need to understand is you can restore any file deleted in the last 30 days. So that's the default for this type of account. So this is a kind of a low-cost business account that I have, and I believe the free accounts work in a similar way. It's only for 30 days. After that, the files are gone for good. So if you deleted something 2 months ago, you're going to be out of luck unless you use this particular option to get extend the storage space on Dropbox. So let's just skip that for now. And I can scroll through everything that's been deleted here, and I can see that it doesn't include the photo. And actually, all it includes are these backups, these regular backups that I make with my websites. And the reason why it's not showing the photo is actually because the from date and the to date is just one day. It's today. I want to extend the from date to before. So I'm going to set it to July the 1st, which is longer than 30 days ago. But let's see if the photo turns up. So I'm going to start scrolling down. And I see a lot. Oh, I think this is it. I think it is this one right here. This is actually a few days ago, but let's just see if this is the one. So it's not going to show me a preview of it, but basically it gives me an option to restore it. So if I wanted to restore it, it's going to restore it to this particular folder. This is a folder that I use for my business. So I'm going to click restore, and that photo, you can see it's restoring. So that will be put back. It'll be resynced to my device the next time that the device is on and connected to the internet. So that's how you can recover deleted files that are less than 30 days old, or sorry, it was deleted less than 30 days ago using Dropbox.com. Just go to Home, Deleted Files, and you can scroll through them as long as you set the dates, the from date and the to date, or you can search for them as well. This video helped. Please take a moment to like it. Follow me. See you next time.